These Utopia kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan pots are a fantastic addition to any kitchen. This set comes with 2 useful sizes. You get a 1-quart pot and a 2-quart pot. These are perfect for small tasks and side dishes. The black non-stick coating is a real feature. It helps food slide right off. Cleaning up is easy, and that saves time. The lids fit well, and they help food cook faster. These Utopia kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan pots are a great value. These saucepans are not just for home cooks. Restaurants can use them too. They are made to be multi-purpose and durable. The material seems strong, and the handles are easy to grip. This Utopia kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan set is lightweight. It is not too heavy to move around the kitchen. The black color looks sleek and professional. You can use them on most stovetops. They are great for making sauces or heating up leftovers. Imagine making a smooth oatmilk sauce in these. Overall, this set is a good buy. The non-stick feature is a big plus. It means less scrubbing for you. The 2 different sizes are very practical. Many online ratings show that people are happy with them. They are a good option if you need reliable small saucepans. While I don't have info on affiliates or the current market, these Utopia kitchen non-stick stock pot saucepan pots seem popular. They could be a good recommendation for someone needing a basic set. They offer a lot of feature for the price. Pros: set of 2 pots, 1 quart size, 2 quart size, non-stick coating, easy to clean, includes lids. Bakelite handles, heat resistant, multi-purpose use, good for gifting. Cons: smaller pot is small, handle can be heavy, not for induction. 1 quart, hand wash only, coating not scratch proof, bottom may change color, uneven heating possible. Lids not always tight. Features: 2 quart size, non-stick coating, easy to clean, aluminum build, black color, with lids. Bakelite handles, for all stovetops. This Utopia kitchen set has 2 black pots with lids. One is 1 quart and the other is 2 quarts. They have a non-stick coating, so food won't stick and they are easy to clean. The pots are made of aluminum and have black handles made of bakelite that stay cool. You can use these pots on all kinds of stovetops. This Utopia kitchen set has 2 black non-stick pots. One small, 1 quart, and one a bit bigger, 2 quarts, both with lids and handles that don't get too hot. They are easy to clean and can be used for many things in the kitchen, making them a nice gift. However, the small pot is quite small, and the handle on the bigger one might feel a little heavy. The small pot cannot be used on induction stoves, and you have to wash them by hand. Also, the non-stick coating can scratch. The bottom of the pots might change color over time. Heating could be uneven, and the lids might not always fit perfectly tight.